Hello everyone. And today we are going to discuss regarding tricky questions. Shall I ask the question or you are ready with tricky questions? Shall, you are going to ask questions. Okay. Right. How many of you are ready with tricky questions? Raise your hands. How many of you are ready with tricky questions? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good. That's a good sign. I appreciate your eagerness. Okay. Who's going to ask first question?
A man was born in 2005.
Born in 2005. A man was born in 2005. Now it's
But
2026. Hmm.
but he
Died in.
died in 1995. How it is possible?
A man was born in 2005.
Yes,
Exactly 21 years back. 21 years ago, a man was born. But he died in
1995.
1995. He died in 1995. How is it possible?
Possible.
2005 ஒருத்தர் பிறந்திருக்காரு. அதுக்கு முன்னாடி 10 வருஷத்துக்கு முன்னாடி அவர் இறந்துட்டாரா? 1995. Any guess? அதுதான் நானும் கேட்குறேன். எப்படி சார்? Any guess?
சார் அவர் உணர்வு பிரிவில் இறந்துட்டுக்கிறாரு சார்.
கனவுல இறந்துட்டாரா? He died in the dream. கோமால இருந்துட்டு மறுபடியும் வராரா? We need logical answer.
When the baby is in the stomach of the mother, I think that baby would die and give some medicine and make to reborn with it.
No, again you cannot go it in reverse order, no? Born in 2005 and died in 1995. Then you have to
Time.
give the mic to me. Is it possible?
டைம் ட்ராவல் சார்.
Time travel.
Yes, sir.
By time travel, he might have died in 1995.
எஸ் சார்.
But in 1995, he would have not born at all. பிறந்திருக்க மாட்டாரா 1995ல? பிறந்ததே 2005 தானே.
சார்.
அப்புறம் 1995ல போயிட்டு இறக்க முடியும். Even if time travel happened, in the 1995, that boy would have not born. பிறந்திருக்க மாட்டாரு.
Another question, sir. 1995 or 1995
1995.
and born on 2000.
2005. Yes, I need logical answer. No funny questions. Funny responses.
சார் அவருக்கு அடிபட்டிருக்கோம் சார்.
Okay.
அதனால ஹாஸ்பிட்டலில் டெத் ஆகிற மாதிரி இருந்திருப்பார் சார்.
Okay.
அப்புறம் திடீர்னு டெத் ஆகிடுவார் சார். அது திடீர்னு வந்துடும் சார், உயிர் வந்துடும் சார் அவருக்கு.
See, you have to listen. You have to think rationally. அறிவுபூர்வமா சிந்திக்கணும். ஓகேவா? இதெல்லாம் கதைக்கு சொல்லலாம் நம்ம. ஆனா லாஜிக்கலா இருக்கணும் இல்லையா? ஓகே, குட் ட்ரை. Answer you are ready with the answer.
He is born in 2005, sir, and he was born in 2005, sir, and he has died. He died in 1995 because I think they have changed the death certificate.
Death certificate date is changed. Is no? But I know the answer. If I am not wrong, let me tell shall I tell the answer? See, clues regarding birthplace, died area. Okay, the place where he died. Think in that manner. Sir, how do we know where did he die? எங்களுக்கு எப்படி தெரியும்?
1995 is a kind of place.
Not place, but places can have number, no? You can think in that way.
So it's number of a street number or
Okay,
another.
maybe number of a street.
That's the answer.
Is that answer? Almost, I think you almost get the answer.
The 1995 is some
But
kind of
logically-
pin code or country's
But
pin code like that.
have 6 digit, no?
Yes, sir.
And 1995, no street will be like numbered like 1995. Any other guesses?
No, sir.
What happened to others? Any other guess? எது வரைக்கும் வந்திருக்கோம்? தெருக்கு பேரா இருக்கலாம்னு பார்த்துட்டோம், இல்லை இடத்துக்கு பேரா இருக்க நம்பரா இருக்கலாம்னு பார்த்தோம். Any other guess? Good try. Shall I give the answer? Yes, take your own time. What about others, those who are in the third and fourth row? You have to think and you have to involve in the class activities. தமிழ்லையும் சொல்லிட்டோம், நம்ம 2005 பிறந்திருக்காரு, 1995 இறந்துட்டாருன்னா எப்படி இது பாசிபிள்? ஓகே, சிவபாலன் I think he cracked the answer.
Sir, I think in some Christians are they will put it in a box and keep it, sir. I don't know the name of that, sir.
Okay, no.
I
That's
think
irrelevant, that's
that
irrelevant.
box number is 1995.
No. Even you are telling about casket.
Casket.
After dying only they will be placed in that casket, no? But he already died in 1995. So here the trick is with preposition. The preposition is in 1995. We can use the preposition in to indicate time and place. பிளேஸுக்கும் நம்ம இன்னென்ற வார்த்தையை பயன்படுத்தலாம், டைமுக்கும் நம்ம இன்னென்ற வார்த்தையை பயன்படுத்தலாம். For years பற்றி மென்ஷன் பண்ணும்போது we use in 1990, in 1995, in 2000, இது பற்றி நம்ம in பயன்படுத்துவோம். கரெக்டா? பிளேசஸ்க்கும் in சென்னை சொல்லுவோமா? அப்போ in யூஸ் பண்ணுவோமா? ஸோ the tricky part is when or where. When indicates time, where indicates place. ஓகே, இப்போ நம்ம என்ன பண்ண போகிறோம்? இன்னில் பிளேஸில் போட போகிறோமா, டைமில் போட போகிறோமா? இப்போ டைமில் போட்டால் we get wrong answer. Is it clear? Because we cannot time travel and go back. முடியாது, not at all possible. அப்போ we got only one option left, that is place.
Sir, can I tell the
Yes.
answer, sir? 1995. I think it's the time in railway time. 7.
Time, you forget about time. Time நான் விட்டுருங்க, டைம் கிடையாது. It's related to place. Give me pass.
Sir, pass.
Okay. It must be a hospital, and that must be room number or ward number in that hospital. So that person died in 1995 means the room number is 1995 and not the year. Am I right? Let's give a big clap for Sanjay for asking such a good question. Good. Thank you. So I am very happy that you involved in conversation. So I need and I expect others also to come forward and start talking in English. Don't be afraid or scared to deliver your ideas. We can start now and slowly build confidence, and in few years time or few months time we can become or we can achieve fluency in English. Okay, right, thank you. And tomorrow I will be back with another tricky question. You have to ready to think. It doesn't matter whether we arrive at the answers or not. We have to speak. You have to deliver your ideas. நீங்க என்ன நினைக்கிறீங்கன்றதை நம்ம என்ன பண்ணி ஆகணும்? சொல்லணும். ஆன்சர் ரைட்டா தான் பண்றது அப்புறம் பார்த்துக்கலாம். ஓகேவா? ரைட், குட்.